Introducing Pint.
Hey, does that have a motor?
Not that kind, that kind.
Where can I ride it?
Here, here, not here, but here.
Whoa.
Is it easy to learn?
Oh yeah.
Does it need a remote?
Nope, just lean forward.
How do you stop?
Lean back, forward, stomp it.
Hey, do a kickflip.
Can you take it with you?
Of course.
You think this is gonna go viral? Yo, they posted our clip. What the?
Heard it costs less than a smartphone.
Really? Really?
My kid's gonna love it.
Yeah, you got it.
But as it feels, a bit of it hurts.
Unbelievable.
Introducing Samsara. Inspired by leading manufacturing breakthroughs, we created the first aluminum alloy smart suitcase. We live in a world of continuous movement. Creativity is everywhere. We developed a user-friendly mobile application that connects to sensors within the suitcase. These sensors notify you if the suitcase leaves your presence or was opened out of eyesight. Our application will also allow you to control the LED light within the suitcase, which will assist you in the dark, and monitor the battery life powering your Samsara. The hardware will enable you to charge your electronic devices via USB-C cable. It will also allow you to charge your mobile device up to 10 times. Our team of engineers and designers created our patented product for maximum durability, so your Samsara will endure the test of time. Our luggage has a sleek, ergonomic design with a flat top that allows you to work and stay connected, no matter where you are. We thought of you, our user, while designing this one-of-a-kind item that links classic style with cutting-edge technology. Imagine opening your suitcase and finding your travel necessities built into the product, including convenient packing bags, toiletry bag, garment bag, and even a compact gym bag if you work out on your trip. Samsara means continuous movement. Join us for this exciting journey of a new and better way to travel.
clear, it was perfect. It's really fun trying to just balance and ride the waves along. Super fun.
It's really surprising coming from kite surfing and from windsurfing. You know, you'd think that something where you've got 100% control of the power is maybe a little bit less interesting, but it's just different. It's really engaging, really exciting, and this unibody fuselage and wing is just amazing. Keeps everything really integrated, very elegant design, highly engineered, super top quality stuff.
It's kind of come from a maritime influence and the sort of super yacht type of styling, so just trying to get some of that into the board. I mean, just looking at different influences from outside of your industry.
Yeah, every part of Fliteboard has been designed with a very great obsession for details, and there are endless options to customize and make Fliteboard your own.